Have you ever wondered how health savings accounts, HSAs, play into your tax strategy? Stick around because we're about to break it down in just 2 minutes. In this video, we'll be unraveling the mysteries of Form 8889. Whether you're a seasoned HSA user or just starting to explore this financial tool, understanding this form is key to maximizing the benefits of your health savings account. So, what's Form 8889 all about? Think of it as the roadmap for your HSA contributions, distributions, and everything in between. It's the document you need to ensure you're compliant with the IRS rules regarding your health savings. Let's kick things off with contributions. Form 8889 helps you report the money you or your employer puts into your HSA. Remember, these contributions are tax-deductible, providing a double benefit of saving for future healthcare costs and reducing your taxable income. Now, when it comes to taking money out of your HSA, Form 8889 is there to track it. Whether it's for qualified medical expenses or another eligible reason, understanding the rules around distributions is crucial to avoid any unexpected tax consequences. One of the fantastic things about HSAs is the triple tax advantage: tax-deductible contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals for qualified medical expenses. Form 8889 is your tool for harnessing these benefits effectively. Form 8889 breaks down the numbers for you, making it easier to report your HSA activity on your tax return. It's like having a roadmap to guide you through the tax implications of your health savings. And there you have it, a quick overview of Form 8889. Whether you're filing your taxes yourself or working with a tax professional, understanding this form ensures you're making the most of your health savings account. If you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights here on Hi5 Consulting. From precise accounting to thorough audit and assurance services, expert taxation guidance, and comprehensive compliances, we've got you covered. Need assistance? Contact us today. Our dedicated team is ready to help you navigate the complexities of finance and ensure your financial success. Until next time, happy navigating through the world of finances, and we'll see you in the next video.